sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that next time you may see the new updates. So let's check. Today's lesson we are looking at perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines, these are lines that intersect at a right angle which is 90 degrees. So now let's try to draw a vertical line which is running from up to down, which is the y-axis, and draw another line which is the x-axis. As you can see, let's draw another line which is cutting x-axis and y-axis going up, and also draw another line which is cutting the other line at 90 degree, which is perpendicular to that line. Let's draw a right angle triangle at up, as you can see. So there's also a right angle triangle which is down here, where y-axis is on the negative direction, as you can see, and that one in the positive direction, which is B and A, and the resultant, as you can see, and T. Then B is in a positive form and A in a negative, because it's pointing at the negative of y line and moving on at that direction, which is the R, which is the here there's B, which is x-axis, and the y-axis here there's 0. So let's try to work out with this example from the point P, which is open bracket -1, comma 3, close, a perpendicular drawn to join to line joining A, which is open bracket -4, comma -8, close, and B, open bracket 4, comma 4, close. So question 1, find the equation of AB and the perpendicular So now solution. Then now we are going to get the point which you have been given, which is -4, comma -8, which is A, and the B 4, comma 4. Now let's indicate x1, y1, x2, y2. Then the formula is y minus y1 over y2 minus y1. which is equals to x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. So this is a general formula for finding the equation of a straight line. So let's substitute now. Y minus y1 over y2 minus y1 equals x minus x1 over x2 minus x1. Then let's substitute now. Where there is the y1, there is the minus 8 close equals x minus, where there is x1, there is minus 4 close over y2, there is 4 minus open bracket minus 8, and the x2 there is 4 minus 4. So y plus 8 over 4 plus 8, which is 12, and the x plus 4 over 8, which is the 4 plus 4, and we cross multiply. So when we cross multiply, we are going to get, which is 12 open bracket x plus 4 equals 8 open bracket y plus 8 close 12 times x, which is 12x, plus 12 times 4, which is 48, equals to 8 times y, 8y, plus 8 times 8, which is 64. Then 12x, when y comes to other side, it will be minus 8y equals 64, because this is positive 48, so here it will be negative 48. So 12x minus 8y equals 64 minus 48, which is 16, and we are going to divide it by 4 to reduce it. So 4 into 12, which is 3x minus 2y equals 4 into 16, which is 4. Let's say, then let's take it into perpendicular, because that one is in a normal equation. Yeah. So remember the formula, which is m1 times m2, which is equals to minus 1. So now, therefore, we are going to take that equation, which is at normal equation, 3x minus 2y, which is equals to 4. Then we are going to make y the substitute formula. So we are going to shift that 3x into that. Here is positive, here is going to be negative when it jumps the equal sign, which is minus 2ay equals 4 minus 3x divided by minus 2 minus 2. We cancel, then y equals, then 2 into 4, which is minus 2, 2 into 3, it can, then it will be 3 over 2x. So this is our gradient the first gradient for M1. So it will be 3, it will be 3 over 2. This is a normal gradient, as you can see. So now M1 equals 3 over 2. Then M1 times M2, which is equals to minus 1. Then we are going to substitute where there is M1, we put 3 over 2. 3 over 2 times M2 equals minus 1 divided by 3 over 2 to make M the substitute of the form M2 equals, so it will be negative 1 over 1 times the 3 over 2 equals, so there 2 will go up because it's times, so there is division. Then negative 1 over 1 times 2 over 3, as you can see. So the gradient for M2, it will be minus 2 over 3. So now M2 equals, which is 2 over 3, which is negative. Then the points we have been given of P, which is there is 1, 3, x1 and y1. So y minus y1 equals M, which is the gradient, x minus x1. So y1 is 3, and the gradient we found, it's negative 2 over 3, open, x minus where there is x we put 1, then we multiply 3 times y, which is 3y, 3 times 3, which is 9, then negative 2 times x, which is negative 2x, negative 2 times negative 1, which is positive 2. Then we are going to make x the substitute of the formula. So negative 2x plus 2 equals 3y minus 9. Then minus 2x minus y when y comes to this side, which is equals to minus 9. When 2 goes there, it will be negative 2. Yeah. So here it will be negative 2x minus 3y equals minus 11, because there is 2 signs of negatives. So we divide by negative. So it will be 2x plus 3y equals 11. So that's the final answer. This is a perpendicular equation. So thank you for watching.